Nice.
We had planned this before the lockdown, and then the lockdown happened and we could not go due to various commitments, etc. But finally we could actually come here in April, and that is how the whole trip was planned. And you also know that there were other participants which had to participate in this, but unfortunately they couldn't make it, but we could, so here we are. We are staying here at Infinity Resorts. I think the cook Manoj ji, he has excelled himself. He has given us very good food, and he has taken into consideration our preferences, what we like, not like, etc. Then Mahesh ji is always there to help us out. The other two persons who are working in the kitchen, I think they are also doing an exceptional job, and always those people are ready when we come back from the safari. Then there is Sandeep ji, who wants to know how your day goes and all that. So that gives a little personal touch to each and everything. So basically, I would like to come back to this resort again. And the resort itself is very beautiful. The best part of the resort is that they have preserved the forest atmosphere, and they have not manicured and pedicured the resort. So all those things, I think I would like to definitely come to their resort in another season probably. Probably there will be more butterflies, more birds to see, and spend some time in the resort also.
The forest itself is quite good. काफ़ी मतलब all types of terrain. You have the grassland, you have the landscapes of with the slope and inclination. You have water bodies which is always rich with water, stones, hills, and sal trees which are evergreen. So it's a moist deciduous forest which is quite providing a green cover throughout. And then आप गाड़ी से जा रहे हैं तो it's a good habitat and a landscape to photograph.
आज का सफारी तो बहुत 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 अच्छा था. हमें वाइल्ड डॉग विथ किल मिल गया, और
फ्रेश किल.
और टाइगर जो मिला वो 10 to 15 minutes. वी हैव टेकन 20 or 22 snaps. बहुत अच्छा लगा आज का.
Speaking about the forest, I think the forest is beautiful. That is all I can say.
And the safaris also have been highly productive. We have had 4 safaris, usme 4 different tigers sighting. Only one safari we did not have a tiger sighting, but otherwise lifer, birds, then wild dogs with a kill and fresh kill and eating, and tigers with encounters in such close proximity. They have been certainly very, very memorable for us. So the wild dog episode is especially it is amazing. Is just 2 wild dogs brought down a sub-adult or a fawn of spotted deer. और हम लोग सवेरे का फर्स्ट थिंग बोल सकते हैं, सफारी में घुसे हैं और जा रहे हैं, और अचानक से we were the first one to sight that. deer were running from here and वो guide and driver they said कि हाँ कुछ तो कुछ हो रहा है वहाँ पे हम लोग our jeep so we were the only ones to and reached there at the spot we saw that अभी वो जो सब एडल्ट को उन्होंने पकड़ के खींच के लेके ही आ रहे थे पूरा घटना और उसके बाद में while the fawn was still alive they started eating it so this is something you know very cruel to happen in but then this is how nature works. I think it's a very very rare sighting to see such kind of usually shown in national geographic etc but then to see it yourself live and experience it वहाँ पे देख के सामने and for good enough 15-20 minutes it was something really very very amazing and I think this is an experience which we'll remember and cherish throughout our life.
ये शशांक के साथ मेरा पहला ट्रिप है ट्रिप तो बहुत ख़ास बहुत अच्छा था वाइल्ड लाइफ तो मेरा लव है मैंने तो बहुत एनिमल्स भी देखे और भी मेरे लिए एक खुशी का बात है ये आज हमें जो मिला है बिकॉज मेरा टुडे इज़ माई बर्थडे
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you.
नहीं मैंने नहीं बोला क्योंकि अगर टाइगर नहीं मिले तो फिर पहले बोल देते भाई आपको
ये तो सोने पे सुहाग गया टाइगर भी मिला
आज कितना इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ हम लोग को मिल गया आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई विल कम अगेन विद शशांक.
यहाँ पे जैसे गाइड और ड्राइवर की बात कर रहे हैं प्रदीप एज ए ड्राइवर इज एन एक्सपर्ट ड्राइवर कल जैसे हम लोगों को नीला नाला देखना था वहाँ इतनी गाड़ियाँ थी उसमें बीच में वो मैनूवर करके स्ट्रैटेजिकली अपने आप को पोजीशन करना एंड टू गेट अ व्यू ऑफ नीला नाला barely from 3 or 4 meters was something very 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 commendable and of course दो जो गाइड्स थे स्पेशली प्रीतम एंड कमल दे वर एक्सेप्शनल मतलब उन्होंने इतने मतलब वाइल्ड लाइफ तो दिखाया लेकिन साथ साथ में जो एनेक्डोट्स बताते रहे वो इट वाज एन एनरिचिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन इटसेल्फ. कोई भी तकलीफ कभी भी नहीं हुई और सब कुछ मतलब एक तरह से बोल सकते हैं 5 स्टार एक्सपीरियंस.
एक बात तो मेरे को ज़रूर बोलना है मैंने शशांक को चुना था फेसबुक देख के तो ये फेसबुक ज़्यादातर आदमी तो विश्वास ही नहीं करेगा मैं भी इसको एकदम नहीं देखी नहीं पहचानी ओनली बाय फोन टॉक्स हमने आ गया बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे सोचने का कुछ है ही नहीं इस बारे में शशांक के साथ एनीबडी कैन कम और आई एम एन एजेड लेडी सो हम जब आ गए तो हर कोई आ सकता है.
Safari guys, if you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below, and if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.